If you're tracking real estate sentiment, you might have noticed something unusual today. Our sentiment score has surged to plus 0.20, alongside a momentum of plus 1.03, indicating a notable uptick in positive sentiment and activity over the last 24 hours. This isn't just a number, it's a clear signal that something is changing in the real estate landscape right now. Imagine leveraging this data to optimize your property investment strategies. You could use our API to identify emerging areas of interest, helping you make informed decisions on where to invest next. Our API delivers comprehensive insights, including sentiment scores and momentum trends, all in a single call. Start integrating real-time sentiment data into your projects today by visiting pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's decode the market together.